Ladies and gentlemen, by now I have delivered enough material about how to select the right air conditioner for your place through my previous videos. And I believe that you have strengthened your knowledge base about this subject matter. Still, there may be some unsettled questions in your mind. And that's the reason I am here presenting this video to settle all those unsettled questions that may always keep you in a dilemma. Hey, I am YS Rao, and this time I am here to help you out to select the right air conditioner at your place. If you are really keen on strengthening your knowledge about choosing the right air conditioner for your home or shop or your office, then all that you have to do is to watch this complete video attentively and calmly. While buying a new air conditioner, you often get tricked by the attractive prices that are offered by the sales dealer or the retailer from where you inquire. It is quite natural to have an emotional attachment with the money that you spend while buying something, and that's the reason you get attracted by the prices offered by the sellers. And I don't think that there is anything wrong with expecting attractive prices while buying an air conditioner. Sometimes you get trapped by the fancy offers of the sales dealers or the local retailers and buy an air conditioner that they want to sell, but not the one which you should buy. Now, if you are interested to avoid getting trapped by the fancy offers, you need to focus on various outlooks of an air conditioner mindfully. What are those outlooks? That I will detail in an organized manner in this video. Don't worry about that. Ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you that we Indians are very concerned about brands while buying something. So while purchasing a new air conditioner, make sure that you choose a trusted branded air conditioner. Trust in the sense, the brand of your air conditioner should be old enough and should have a reputed name in the market for delivering high quality products for a considerable period. While choosing the brand of the air conditioner, never fall prey to fraudulent reviews by fraudsters on the websites. All that you should do is to going to the market and identifying the right brand of the air conditioner. The next concern which should be considered is the service delivery offered by the brand company. Service delivery is of paramount importance for an air conditioner. The brand of your air conditioner may have a good reputation in the market and may be known for delivering high-end quality air conditioners. But you never know When will your air conditioner fall sick? Whenever there is a breakdown in your air conditioner, your complaint call should be acknowledged immediately. And the service person should attend quickly to sort out that problem. Moving on to the next consideration, that is the availability of spare parts and its components. What is the use of having a reputed branded air conditioner if the spare parts or the components are not readily available when a breakdown occurs to your air conditioner? In the absence of the spare parts or components, even the swift response by the service delivery person also doesn't work well. So, before purchasing an air conditioner, you need to check very carefully about the availability of its spare parts. Also, you need to check how often the spare parts of the branded air conditioner that you intend to buy becomes obsolete. Now jumping to another concern, that is the warranty. Very carefully, I must tell you that as of now in India, almost all the air conditioners come with a standard 1 year warranty only. And in addition to that, with 5 years warranty coverage for the compressor. So while selecting an air conditioner, you must check for any offers on the extended warranty by the sales dealer or the retailer as value addition. You must also check the components that can be claimed for replacement under the warranty coverage as well as the extended warranty coverage in case if they fail. Last but never least, another important consideration is the refrigerant that is charged in the air conditioner. Scientists across the globe are inventing new refrigerants rapidly due to environmental concerns. Old refrigerants are frequently being phased out due to their impact on the environment. So in this scenario, it is advisable to check the refrigerant that is used in the air conditioner which you intend to buy, and also check about its phase out date. Being a responsible species on this planet Earth, it becomes our duty as well to buy an air conditioner in which environment friendly refrigerant is used. By focusing on all these outlooks that are discussed in this video, you must very carefully buy an air conditioner to avoid landing up in trouble after buying it. If you have any inputs to share, then please put them in the comment section. So, ladies and gentlemen, as usual, that being a part of my duty, let me remind you of your likes, shares, and subscribes. Bye for now.